Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, right? So, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. How's your morning? Who full ported CPI today? Who got in this long? Honestly, beautiful long. Just a bit crazy. No, I did not trade this. If you want to ask me, just decide to ask who decided to pass evaluation with this CPI report. Data low. Data low is going to be CPI low and high. Oh, that's crazy. Good job then. So on NQ, I would like to see slightly lower attempt to take data low. On gold, it's already played out all I want to see today on gold. So it was overnight, not overnight, it was Asia session long. Here's was, honestly, I did not take this long. I was looking this from the very beginning, but I was scared to trade this before CPI. So, but I got in this trade last night. On CL, I still would like to see slightly higher, just a bit higher. Yeah. Right now, it seems like a trend to build low resistance liquidity. I mean, lots of failure swings, right? Lots of failure swings right here, but still would like to see slightly higher and reaction from this level. So it's still, I'm sorry, guys, higher. So once again, I did not take this CPI long. It was like textbook long, and just one reason I did not take this. I was scared to trade this on funded accounts before CPI. Yeah. But got in this trade yesterday. It was easy trade. This one also was easy, but once again, I was kind of scared to trade this before CPI. You know, you never know what is going to happen. So I decided to stay away. Like, no risk, no reward. It's okay. Still green on the day because of this trade. CL, I already said that. Seems good to me. Just go slightly higher. Hope so. We can get this. It's this dotted line right here. It's like dash line is OB, daily OB. So as you can see, my TP slightly lower, like conservative. Let's see if we get this. Gold reached my yesterday target. That's why I was bullish yesterday. It was my key levels that was expected to see. Like I expect to see reaction yesterday from this level. It just reverse. I mean, like in my humble opinion, was from nowhere. That's why I was bullish. I was bullish on the day, like overall, and see how perfect reaction from full hour OB. So far, look at this brilliant reaction. So I highlighted for it's not full hour sell side, it's just sell side liquidity. Also, I would like to highlight 50% of this huge wick right here. So if it wants to drop, it will drop there. So once again, I'm going to repeat this one more time. I was bullish to this for our OB. That's it. So I didn't expect to see like higher than this. Looking right now at these high frame candles, what we can see pretty much sweat both sides right here, same right here. So once again, still would like to see maybe slightly lower. I mean, maybe like this. Guys, share with me you bullish, bearish on gold. Just would like to see your opinion about this. Why I would like to see lower? Because we got premium OB. I would like to see the test of discount again. So this area right here is perfect area for discount. Bearish on gold. Okay. Yeah, agree with you. We already got inversion 5-minute chart. We got 5-minute change in the state of delivery. The test of 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we continue dropping to 50% of our week. So probably I would like to see a move right here, 33.40. So somewhere there. Like another $15-20 lower will be brilliant. Cannot guarantee this because who actually knows? We cannot see the future, but preferably. It's okay. In curiosity dropped to levels that I mentioned before. Attempt to take CPI low. or data low. It's up to you. You can call this like whatever you like. Okay. So trying to take data low right now, but a bit struggling. So plan on ESNQ to see reaction from this area right here. So if we get reaction, we will go all the way up right here to data high. To this, like this. Oh, you got short after CPI. I'm green on the day because I got trade to an Asia kill zone. On gold. So it was nice trade 60. It was just like 2R, but look how it respected my target right here. So it was nice. Let's see. I'm going to hold this for a while, just for now. When you say like 5 minute OB inside 1 hour OB, just say what instrument you're talking about, like NQ, ES, CL, I don't know, like gold, just to understand. Because we discussed like several assets right here, like makes sense to be more specific. Gold, okay. Okay. You're talking about order block just for now, and you're talking about bullish OB or bearish OB, because bullish, I cannot say like we got bullish OB, honestly. I cannot say like this bullish OB. Not really, in my humble opinion. So, but this blue line is 15-minute bullish order block. So, and yes, we're expecting this level. Yeah. See, when you look at this candle, you cannot say like it's bullish or bearish, but really like when you do like this, it's clearly bullish. So perfect order block. Right here, trying to just pick this. Oh, setup was exactly that I mentioned on Friday. So potential RDC with 5-minute change in the state of delivery. So this is what I'm going to record and share on YouTube. On gold, I trade only one model. That's it. I don't trade any other models. I don't trade like unicorns. I don't trade inversion fair value gaps on gold. I trade only one model. That's it. That's it. If model present, I'm going to enter, no matter what will happen. And idea is 2R, as always. I know why like I realized like too late that I need to just aim for 2R and that's it. I don't need like to have millions of points on the trade. Like 2R, sometimes it's going to be like $15 on gold. Sometimes it's going to be $5. Who cares actually? But it's 2R. You follow your plan. So 2R. And even right here, over here, it was 2R, as you can see. My trade idea. So I'm conservative, like 2R, that's it. Can go higher, that's brilliant. Amazing. Runner, or just close to R and see how it goes. Higher, who cares? So conservative. Pretty much conservative. Okay, switching back on ES and NQ because, as I said, I would like to be bullish from this area. Maybe it will offer good setup. How this question related to trading? Just asking. No, I don't take partials. Maybe it's stupid, right? Maybe it's not, but no. When it's 2R, I mean, I mostly I trade with 5 micros. I can take like 1 micro off. I'm not sure if it's like solid partial. Not really. Like 1 micro off. But 75% of my position goes to 2R. That's it. Like sometimes 1 micro off just to lock some profit. Who actually cares about this? At internal liquidity levels. I just said that I'm going to record the video next week about how to trade gold and CL, but the model that I'm going to share works everywhere, just not in CHAP. For example, it worked in Q so nice, for example, when it was winter. So I traded this. It was amazing, brilliant. Just since it's CHAP, I don't want to touch this. So it's okay. But I'm going to share the model that works everywhere, but I personally use this on gold and CL. I don't know why, it's just easier for me. Like I prefer like risk reward. I like stop loss, potential stop loss. which I don't like on NQ recently. If you want to ask me why I don't trade this on NQ, just since it's chap, I don't want to like risk 70 points to make 140 points in this chap. It's chap. Pretty much distortion. We broke below distortion low. It's about to offer inversion. Pretty sure if it's going to be inversion, we will go to data high. But honestly, want to see data low first. I just said yesterday, video is going to be extremely expensive. So not everyone can afford this. So I'm so sorry about saying this. It's going to be expensive. Once again, $0. Just prepare for this. Okay, that's first presented, right? Yeah. Chris, when you're talking about like fair value gaps, let's be more specific. You're talking about gold and Q? Maybe yes. Maybe even YM. Just be more specific, okay? And Q. What about 15-minute fair value gap? Yeah, right now inside fair value gap. So, yeah, I mean, I'm bullish on the day just for now. But just what I want to see data low taken, at least on one instrument. Take, for example, I'm fine with SMT. Fine with SMT too long to data high. I didn't. Spider, I did not take a trade on gold this morning. I highlighted this. I took screenshot that I'm going to like long this. So it's basically I have screenshot that I was looking at this before this happened, but I was like, it's going to be CPI, and I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie right now. I was scared to trade this before CPI. I felt like it can be mistake. Maybe that's stupid, but it is what it is. I never have FOMO, so when I saw it it went to my target. I was like, okay, analysis was perfect. Just work on your psychology, so nothing wrong with trading before news. But I'm not going to lie. Once again, going to be honest with you. I was scared to trade before CPI. It's Russian accent, so yeah, Russian accent. So it's still a reaction from first presented fair value gap. We did not invert this just yet. Still respecting this level. Can we go to data low? Just asking. Like, once again, seems like you got distortion. We're trying to be already broke below distortion low. Like, now I like Russian. So, maybe. Maybe. Struggling right now, but really, once again, to trade distortion, want to see like some sort of reaction above first presented, like inversion, you know? Okay. CL annoying, really annoying. Why it cannot go to my target? I really don't understand this. So this dash line right here is daily OB. If you guys, if you long conceal what is your target, share with me. Maybe I'm looking at something wrong, so some like different level, because I'm looking for 66.70, and yeah, a bit confused right now why it doesn't want to take it doesn't want to take this level. It took partial levels that was aiming for 66.30, but right now I have no idea why they're trying to respect this level. It was like extremely conservative target in the middle of nowhere. If you long conceal, share the target with me, because I would like to see a 66.70 once again. To be more specific, 69. right below daily OB. Don't understand this. Not daily OB, fair value gap. Come on, Dasha, what are you talking about? Yeah, a bit annoying. Oh, it's for yeah, guys. Like Dasha, what's wrong with you? Yeah, exactly. Fair value gap. There is no $0 available. What do you mean? Um, what do you mean? Yeah, it's for fair value gap. I'm so sorry. So just need to sleep more. One day, one day. Daily OB right here. Fair value gap. Never mind. So yeah, would like to see higher. That's what I'm talking about right now. Okay. How many points we away from 50% off for a week? Like $14 away. Yeah, let's see. So seems like we got 5 minutes. I would say propulsion block right here. Oops. Maybe. Would like to see this as protected high. So I don't want to see price going above the swing high, like protected high. You shorting gold? Be more specific about the instrument because we are looking at 3 instrument today. Oh, CL expected 66 story. It was my partial level, but I'm ready to say it's like was from in the middle of nowhere, like just conservative level. Twenty-three 64. Oh, that's brilliant from 5 minutes for a value gap after we got confirmed sweep. Yes, I like this. I'm not in short on gold. I got win on this trade. I did not take this trade, but it wasn't in hindsight. It was in real time analysis. And right now, just reading the tape. So basically, my base hit, and in this long trade on personal account on CL, that's it on my laptop. So I cannot show executions just right now. We'll share later. So I'm still holding this long on CL to 66, 69, but took partial at 66.30 like long time ago. What time it was like 8.30. And win on funded accounts on this trade. That's it. My best trades last 11 days were on not in queue. I mean, yesterday I shorted in queue like for micro straight, like just for fun, but it still was ugly. It wants to inverse weekly for value gap 66 84. Oh, it's even better, you know. Which is everything above 66 69 is fine to me, so I'm not going to be in this trade anymore. So once again, looks like we expected, not looks like we expected first presented fair value gap. Nice data low taken. Let's see how we can respect this level. Guys, I'm going to share the model that trade on gold. You can trade this as well. So you don't need to pay for this information at all. I mean, you need to pay $0 for this. So think about this. So you don't need to like watch streamers to trade this. You'll be able to just set alert. Remember when I asked on Twitter about sweep indicator, liquidity sweep indicator? Remember this? uh, I asked for this indicator and I got this indicator simply because I needed to see sweep, like especially for gold. I'm not able to watch charts like 24 hours a day, right? So I was asking for indicators that are going to send me alert. Okay, we got sweep, and I set the sweep for hourly chart to trade this. So that's amazing. I'm going to share indicator, guys. Yeah, I got this. We'll share on Twitter. So two amazing guys created two different indicators. First indicator was just liquidity sweep. I set alert for this. So right now I'm just raises this alert. Lots of like this. We got sweep, so I use this like for sweeps. And another guy created an indicator that's showing sweeps on this high time frame candles. So I'm going to share two indicators. I will ask permission if I can share this first. But if I'm going to get permission, I will share this on Twitter so everyone can use this. Yes, I will record a separate video. I covered this on Friday on stream, but I will record separate video explaining this model. It's straightforward model, like everyone can use this. Why you want to ask me why don't you use this on NQ? Because NQ chop. Yeah, I mean it's sweep indicator. It's going to be accurate anyway because it's sweep indicator. Please, just maybe something like this and Q. Giveaway is going to be tomorrow. It's going to be trade if I indicate giveaway. But about indicator, I'm going to ask permission and I will share this on Twitter for free. Of course, it's free indicators. Yes, of course, you don't need to pay for this. Yeah, you know me. Like, usually I try to find something for free. So normally I try to share like something that you can use as well, like for free. So why I would like to see higher? So seems like we got accumulation, manipulation, distribution above distortion high. This is what I'm watching right now. MT model already on YouTube. So I shared this like 2 weeks ago. Thank you for like. What time is this? Give me 1 second. Oops, I don't need 21 minutes. Well, maybe it's going to be like this. If it wants to create OB. So basically watching OB. Yeah, watch and share your opinion about this. I'm always happy to see people's opinion about this. The 2-minute chart. I like this SMTs right here. I like this 2-minute inversion. Like this going to use two fair value gaps. Oops. Yeah, on gold I would like to see, I already said that preferably 3340. Okay. Okay, 950 macro. So we got 2-minute OB. I'm sorry, guys. It's up to you. I would say it's exactly same setup. See if it's gold or I mean yes, and NQ seems similar. So we just got 2-minute OB. Yes, we already tested this level. Checking my trade on CL just right now on my personal account. I hate trader weight, guys. I mean, I hate this chart on trader weight. It's still stuck. So annoying. Because yesterday I got a comment why I execute on TradingView because I hate trader weight chart. I don't know why. And right now I'm on trader weight because I'm going to right now open on TradingView. It's going to be disconnected from TradingView on my computer. Oh, that's ugly. I don't know. Like Ninja Trader looks way better. Order block. I don't care what kind of model it's going to be, but order block is going to be entry. So I prefer order block and every model with order block. So I'm not on this long yet, just yet. So let's see. We got a test of 2-minute OB. We inverted first presented fair value gap on ES. Not really yet on NQ, but I do like how we tested this breaker. What I would say breaker block right here. Seems valid long. I know. Like, guys, what do you think about this? 1-minute chart. Nothing really interesting is going. Oh, we got SMT at highs. Well, well, well. 5-minute chart. You confused with bias right now? You know, I really want to see a reversal to data high from data low, and right now it's actually offered sign of reversal on ES, smart money reversal on ES, and Q failed to offer break of structure to upside, but and created SMT. But overall, honestly, I would like to see higher on ES at least. You know, just base hit already on funded accounts. I don't have. I need to get evaluation to trade when base hit already. Just kind of no interest in trading like at all. But I will try to find something good that worth to try. We got the closure, the test. Ideally, would like to see this on gold. Honestly. Let's see. Kind of, yeah, we have SMT, that's fine. We already broke this low resistance, so which makes me feel like we need to go like this. Let me check gold real quick. Not gold, CL. It's about really like struggling right now. Really wants to close my long right now on CL. I share my trade ideas everywhere. So just what I see, we got another 5-minute OB propulsion block. So let's see if Mac holds this high right here. Preferably this is going to be protected high, but I don't feel it safe high right here. So I need to see we holding this high as protected. So this should be trade idea that I just see right now. At least I don't see any invalidation just yet. Guys, if you're in short on gold, what is your target? If you're long, what is your target? Because I don't see any validation for long just yet. I still would like to see continuation lower. Seems like we inside market maker sell model, second stage over here. So need to hold this high right here to be bearish. As protected. As protected high. I traded Asia. Anyway. This is my third trade idea for the day. So to play out. Like fourth. Because it was long another entry for this long. So basically, I was it's still bullish. It's inside market maker buy model on high time frame. I'm talking about in Q right now. And we took data low. It was my like lowest level for the day. And from this level, I would like to see price going higher to take distortion high, which is my green line on chart right now. And final target preferably is going to be, come on, data high, but as I set this internal high right here. So I'm not on this long on NQ just yet because I'm focused right now on gold. Really would like to see a short on gold, this short on gold. This is my trade idea. And honestly, what I would like to see is 50%. We're expecting this level right now. A bit struggling right now. I don't like this consolidation, maybe because it's already like kind of late on the day. Oh, see, I'll just close my long, please. Like 20 cents higher, and I will be done for on my personal account as well. Exactly, I have video about different stage of market maker model on my YouTube. It calls market maker model video. If you don't mind, I'm going to, I guess, move a little bit more. Yeah, like this. So let's see if I'm engaged in this short. Not yet. Because best setups already play out on both CL, MQ, and gold. Right now, I have just like no interest, honestly, because I already got perfect trades today and an Asia kill zone. ES still trying to respect breaker block. I don't know, like I'm more bullish right now on ES than on Q, but ES needs to pump at least right here. We got equal highs there. You'll be surprised to see it's going to fail. Uh, 33-39 level is 50% of 4-hour week. If you just go on 4-hour chart, I can show you right here. So basically 50% of this week. Like rejection block, probably. Sell side lower, but I'm not ready to aim for sell side. So let's see. That's interesting. A bit choppy right now, but interesting. Especially this, how we can play with this. If we make this place, I will try this short. Open gold on my another screen to monitor this. Because if this plays right now on Q, I will try and Q. I'm just not sure what we are going to do. Contract sizing. You know, lots of videos on YouTube about this. Like, lots of videos about introduction to futures. But also you can do your own research on Google. Well, guys, well. You know, that's hard to talk about become profitable. That's hard to talk about this because every single person has her or his own way to be profitable, to find profitability. Uh, so hard to talk about this, honestly. I cannot even give you advice. But for me, recently I realized, and I know like what helped me honestly, but recently I realized, like not recently, like maybe 1 year ago or almost 2 years ago, I realized I don't need to be upset because I took a loss. So I don't need to be focused on loss because it's already happened. I cannot change this. I cannot fix this. So just if you got the loss and it was according to your plan, you need to journal this and honestly forget about this. Like, don't think about recovery. Like, you know what I have in my mind? Let's say I took, I know, like $300 loss. I'm not going to cry about this. I'm going to be absolutely fine with this. And I will say, like, that's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to even think about this the rest of the day. You know, like, probably stop thinking about your losses, focus on the process, trust your plan because your plan is not going to work 100% of the time. It's not going to work even 90% of the time. So, yeah, it's hard, but just need to understand that sometimes you're going to be wrong. Unfortunately, it's impossible to avoid this. I know I'm still long biased right now on yes. I know, like feels like more bullish on yes than bearish, honestly. So equal highs on ES seems absolutely obvious level. Equal highs on NQ seems absolutely obvious level. Why they playing games? I have no idea. Just because they like to do this. You know, account blowing is part of the game. impossible to avoid this as well. So, do you know someone who never blew accounts? No, I don't know this kind of trader. If I see this kind of trader, I'm going to be like, I'm going to say, oh my God, how is it even possible? But, so, because I remember someone talk about the trader. I have no idea who it was and what trader it was as well. But he said like this trader never. He said like this trader said he never blew any accounts. I was like, of course, of course, of course. Yeah, I'm going to trust you. People, of course, going to trust you. How is? It's not possible. It's just impossible, guys. Impossible to not to blow account. Like really impossible. And I was like, oh, yeah, yeah, of course. You never ever blew any accounts. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, of course, if you never executed on this, yeah, you never blew this account. It's logically, of course, I agree with you. But oh, really? I don't know who it was, but I know who it was, so I have no idea. I just saw this on Twitter. I have no idea once again who it was, but it's impossible. Let's be honest. Can you ask Gold to stop Gold, stop consolidating? Like, what's wrong with you? Like, I'm going to add some magnets, but maybe it will increase the speed. But I'm only interested in gold, honestly. I divorced with NQ last week. Let's see. I don't see any invalidation of the shorts yet, at least. Maybe something will change if it's continue going to consolidate. Like next 30 minutes, we can get something on 30-minute chart. But right now, nothing invalidates this idea just yet. Just yet. 30-minute chart still, nothing invalidates this. We close below the swing low, but doesn't want to displace it as well, so makes me feel like annoyed a little bit. But I'm happy like I got a trade before, so I don't need to sit and be like scared right now. Oh, in October, I lost 90% of my trades in October last year. So every single trade I took was like losing trade, losing trade, losing trade. So this is months when I blew my accounts. 2 weeks in a row of losing trades. Painful. I know, but it is what it is. I know October last year was horrible. It was hard to read price action. I know, like I was trying to execute, and in my opinion, it looked like so obvious trade textbook. In reality, what happened? Yeah, I was following my plan. It was just hard once for me. This year, I mean, yes, of course. So no complaints about this, guys. I'm fine to lose. So no complaints about this once again. I'm fine to lose. I'm fine. Not really fun to blow accounts because I never like gamble, like no gambling in my trading. So I'm not going to full port to recover my losses. If I'm going to be like lose $500, I'm going to be done for the day. So it's fine. So I blew my accounts in October, not for one day, for 2 weeks, because every single day, almost every single day, was losing trade. Hope it goes well. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Praying for this. SMT indicator settings. Actually, I show this every single day. I can show you again, but funny, I show this every single day. Best lose. Yeah, exactly. So sometimes, yeah, we have good months. Sometimes we have bad months. So impossible to avoid this, unfortunately. But no complaints, Good experience. Yeah, I was in this situation when every single day was losing trade. It's not like nightmare. It's fine. The reason why I stopped trading on paper money account like more than 1 year ago was it's addiction, You have no fear of losing because you always can reset your account. So just forget about you have like paper money account, trade evaluation, trade funded account. Like imagine you don't have any options to trade paper money account. Never understand people who trade paper money account. Because even if I see this price action is shit, garbage, and I say like I don't want to trade this on my funded account, this means I'm not going to execute this on paper money account as well. So because what's the reason? I mean, I can execute this on evaluation just like for fun, but I'm never going to execute this on paper money account. Zero reason to do this. What's the benefit? No benefit from this, from taking trades on paper money accounts. So you guys. CL, close to my TP. Woohoo, woohoo. 14 more cents. I will close one contract right now. Give me 1 second. I will close one contract right now. I already took partial at 66.30. Good day, good day. Close my trade, please. 9 more cents and we'll be done on my personal account. 8 more cents. I always feel like I want to close just right now, but no, I need to be patient. 7 more cents. Come on, close this. It's so. I'm about to close this manually, honestly. Just a bit higher, please. 1 minute left. Like 5 cents, not a big deal, right? I swear the gods are going to play games simply because I'm in this trade. $0.09. Okay, just going to move stop loss right now. Not a big deal. CL is amazing. Gold is amazing as well. NQ doesn't look bad as well. I'm not sure to say like gold better than NQ or something like this because depends on the day, depends on the model. Because sometimes gold is going to be in chap as well. Of course, it's going to play games right now. I'm talking about CLCs. This crazy scam. Really about to close manually. Annoying consolidation near my take profit every single time. Equal highs coming on yes. Yeah. CL, serious? Anyway, I moved my stop loss in huge profit right now. It's not a big deal, but still annoying. 5 cents away, crazy. Scammy price action. Oh, it's 10:20 already. Come on, I didn't even see this. Oh, hello, Dave. Yeah, no complaints. I already got long on gold last night on during Asia, and right now I'm sitting in my CL long since this morning. Um, so yeah, I'm on this long on CL on my personal account. Also was looking on gold. The setup kind of struggling right now, so I did not execute this just yet. Executed this long on gold. Struggling right now with this trade. I mean, I'm not on this short yet because I don't want to see be breaking by 50% of this OB. Kind of struggling right now. With it trades to 5 minute OB just right now. Let's see how we can hold this. We'll see. So no complaints right now. I'm going to just remove this for now. I don't really see invalidation just yet. Minor sweep. Let's see. So would like to see invalidation on a 1 hour chart. I don't really see any honestly just yet. A bit choppy right here at this area. We'll see. So I may participate in this later, in this short later if it wants to play out, and we expecting this order block. Just nothing yet to trade. The test of 5 minute order block. By the way, that's first the test of this blue line 5 minute OB. We never got this test before. I'm not on this short on gold just yet. Just yet. As I said, I want to see displacement and to enter the short to aim for 50%. I never ever offered this, so kind of no interest yet. Yeah, most of the times you are, if fixed risk reward exactly. Equal highs remains higher on both yes and NQ. All I dream about is just to close my trade on personal account. I will close at 66.40 if it's going to go there. It's going to be amazing target as well. Yeah, let's see. Still going for this equal highs, needs to go higher. For example, this entry based on sentiment OB, like unicorn, equal highs is like TP1, but as you can see, final target is like just fixed to R. To R right here as well. Let me move a little bit higher. And equal highs as TP number 1. Overall, today is good price action on every single instrument in my humble opinion. So I'm out on my TradeAway account right now on my CL long. Traded 3 minutes. That's amazing. Good performance. Got more than $1 move. Good. See, they playing games. Where's my mouse? Of course. This is my trade. We'll show executions later because on my TradeAway right now. This is what I got. Ridiculous. It's okay. Happy with this trade. Both yes and kids about to hit first key level, like TP1. Oh, you got short from first presented to data low. That's by the way a good trade idea as well. Yes, exactly. Trade away, exactly. And here is like fixed to R on a yes. Looks better than on NQ, honestly, but to R on NQ right above internal buy side. Equal highs taken. That's great to see, honestly. Let's see if we go higher. Still higher. As I said at the beginning of Steam, I would like to see move from data low to data high. I don't want to see data high still, but we'll see, guys. I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Back. I'm back. What is your question about AMP broker? So I have experience with them. Welcome back. Yeah. Okay. This price action beautiful, amazing, brilliant, everywhere. Maybe post CPI price action always nice. I call overall. Yeah. What is your question about AMP? I never trade CPI itself, but uh, post CPI normally nice. I mean, I like this. Yes, I did use this. I just prefer trade the weight, but what is your question? Futures blue. I never try them. It's prop firm. Oh, buy steps. Oh, I know this. It's like I saw lots of people use this to pass evaluation accounts. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'm not against this. If you want to pass your evaluation, never try them. First time see this prop firm. Base hit already hit on my funded accounts. Uh, so I already got trades this night. I really don't want to like trade above profits that I'm already made. I mean, I do want, but I have like rules like base hit and be done for the day. Guys, I swear to God, I will get evaluation to trade IM session. Just most of the time I'm done before market open recently. So, but you got my model. So as you can see, I highlighted this model on my chart before this happened as well, just to see. I mean, I'm going to journal this. No complaints. Need cheap account. I guess you can trade top step, I believe. Yeah, probably you can trade top step. I think so. Daily bias. I know. I mean, like I'm looking at daily chart in terms of market maker model, and I would like to see what is going on right now. It's first stage, second stage. Right now, I'm inside second stage of market maker buy model, and it's time distortion. So you want to probably long in discount, short and premium. So right now, daily bias overall bullish, but inside distortion, unfortunately. Just don't aim for huge levels, liquidity levels on high time frame. So aim for internal sell side and buy side liquidity levels. That's why I said I would like to aim for data low to data high, because everything above this level, I mean, all time high obvious target, but I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to aim for this level. So for example, on your screen, on my screen, you clearly can see 2-minute model that I highlighted, and final target is 2R. So if we may hit 2R, this means today's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Power of 3 M2 model play out. I believe yes, we'll hit 2R. Just not sure about NQ, honestly. Just seems and feels strange right now to short when we already hit data low and we have data high higher. Maybe this is me, but I feel kind of strange right now to short this. I'm sorry, guys. At least TS needs to hit 2R. I will be okay with this. Not okay with reversal right now. Equal highs, good target. I mean, like TP1, but not final TP. Especially protect high taken. So yeah, we got shift in structure. So exactly. So most of the time when you see 9 a.m. hourly power of 3 M2 model, most likely 10 a.m. will be continuation. Not most likely, but most of the time. Oh, you got in from the bottom. That's amazing. So I'm not going to lie, I didn't see good setups from the bottom. So I saw and highlighted this setup only that I saw. That's it. CL, yeah, CL crazy, annoying. You know, we already got inversion. I think like it was hard to anticipate deep retracement. So probably if it's already broke below, if it wanted to drop, it dropped and immediately broke below inversion for a while gap on 2-minute chart. It was invalidation of long setup. And at this point, current retracement, I mean retracement we got right here was pretty much, I would say, enough. No reason to go lower because OT is going to be right below inversion, which will invalidate long setup, I would say. Yeah. PDF. I did not share PDF just yet, but if I'm going to share PDF, it's going to be exactly the same PDF that I shared on YouTube video. So I'm just going to save this as PDF. Will it work for you? You still trade micros. Is it bad? I traded CL with minis today, but traded gold with micros during Asia. Is it bad? Is it criminal? Illegal? Yesterday I got $16 on gold with 5 micros. So it's $800. So no complaints about this. It's very bad. And Q market, I would say today's price action on Q and yes, surprisingly nice. Like no questions about setups on in Q and yesterday at all. Like I wouldn't say it bad. According to the plan. Am I wrong? 1029. 1029. I closed my long on C already. Didn't want to sit in this trade because of games. Gold just did consolidation right now. Nothing interesting on gold. It already did my move, so guys, no complaints. No complaints. Open high, it's same. Idea is the same, so no. A bit choppy right now. Seems like forming second stage of reaccumulation. I hope reaccumulation on NQ. Would like to see yes slightly higher. 7 points higher on yes. Like seems like second stage. Ideally, maybe slightly lower, but the idea is the same. Gold right now tasting 50% of 5-minute OB, so let's see how we can play with this. I'm sorry, guys. So respecting equal highs. Yeah, I took a long on CL. I took long on gold in Asia. Two winning trades already. So let's see how we can play with 50% of 5-minute OB, because right now we're exactly at this level. Break above 50 level, 50% of 5-minute OB will be a reversal signal for me to upside. Continues to higher. Well, next week. So I will share a video next week. I use SMT with gold. I use silver for SMT with gold. Gold is fine. So, you know, it's pretty much seek and destroy feels like so far. I broke about 50%. You know, like I would like to see lower overall on gold. Raise my mouse again. I still would like to see level right here. But look at this 30-minute and hourly chart, kind of ugly so far. Not real ugly, just consolidation over here. Without displacement, hard to engage in this area. Couple of SMTs at these lows. So 50% broken, we will go higher. I'm not ready to aim for data, for example, high right here because feels like consolidation right now. So maybe it's going to move from discount to premium, maybe like this. I know, like no trades on gold yet. So I got a traded seal on TradeAway today this morning on my laptop. But yes, normally execute right here on TradingView, not on Ninja Trader. I'm watching right now this OB on 3-minute chart. Give me 1 second. I execute on. I don't remember what contract. I'm going to check for you right now. Let me log in again. Give me 1 second. We'll let you know right now. Trader. Just close already. I just type like. Okay, I'm going to give you right now. Idea. Give me 1 second. Okay. CLN5. I hate charts on TradeAway. That's strange. What kind of contract do you have there? So I traded this one today. No questions. That's strange. CLN5. So it worked for me this morning. Yeah, it works for me. CLN5. Yeah. Maybe trader with login. So I don't know. Really don't know how to help with this. Which trade? That's my M2 model. So I have video about this. On both yes and Q, it was M2 model idea. That's it. Just go on YouTube, watch my last video about this model. This was on 2-minute chart, not on 3-minute chart. Yeah, you're welcome. I don't really understand why TradeAway doesn't want to provide data for this. Did you try on funded account or personal account? Because I log in right now on my account, it's fine. So that's strange. That's why it feels strange. Mm, I don't know why, honestly. Give me 1 second. Hmm. If you check on funded account and it was my funded futures, probably that's why. I guess so. Because my funded futures, I already said it before, but has different data. You need to buy or just contact support to get the data. GC is gold. Gold. Gold futures. It's 10:51. Okay, 5 more minutes. I'm going to be done. So base hit already today. So I'm happy with this. Of course, I'm going to look for PM session trade. But ES needs to play 2R, so empty model plays out. Yeah. If you need a trader, you need to type this one. Hey, you're welcome. Guys, questions, concerns. If you're new here, next month I'm going to stream PM and AM session. Just it's going to be like 2 times a day, a week AM session. Next month, July, 2 times a week AM session and 3 times a week PM session, or 3 times AM session, 2 times PM session. It's going to be in July. Just for your information, if you're new here, head trade PM session often on NQ. Yeah, so no, Asia, no. I almost never trade Asia, like almost never, really. Yeah, I will stream PM session, yes. Because PM on NQ moves good as well. I mean, today's NQ AM session was nice as well, but most of the time, especially last 2 months, it's chop. So okay, guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'm looking for slightly higher to take this 2R trade. NQ2R is going to be right here. I don't want to see on both 2R, but who actually takes this first? I have no idea, but I'm long biased overall to data high. Not going to say like it will hit 100%, but preferably. Tomorrow is giveaway, Tradify giveaway. What else? I will post new video about simple model next week. I don't really trade fair value gaps. Sometimes inversion fair value gaps, but not fair value gap. So I don't really keep this on my chart. If it's high time frame, fair value gap only. But low time frame, not really. What else? I wish you perfect the rest of the day. As always, don't make stupid mistakes, please. Follow your plan. Don't blow your account, and I will see you tomorrow on giveaway. Okay, guys? Be smart. Trade smart, not hard. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.